Welcome back. We're heading off on a multi-day hike to one of the most magical and secluded places in the heart of southern Lamington. This one's been on the agenda for over a year now, so finally got time to check it out, and it's going to be bloody awesome, so see you along the way.
Some dickhead thinks it's cool to scribble this kind of stuff into hiking logs.
Aaron Dean Dale, Magic Flats. Check out my YouTube, Aaron Gray Outdoors. Just making our way up this relentless steep hill, but just come out to this beautiful viewpoint of the valley here, so just trekking through the scrub. Good old regrowth, always nasty. So yeah, I've been walking close to 5 hours now. I haven't filmed very much just because it's generally all bush bashing. But we just came down this ridge to this creek, and then we're going to go up and over the next ridge down to the next river. So that's where we'll be camping tonight. So so we made it. Top of Running Creek Falls, baby. What a spot. Wow. Just such a tall and beautiful waterfall. Can't complain. And there's the last of the sun. It's pretty early, it's only 4 o'clock, so it's gonna get very cold very shortly, so I better put on some extra layers and get ready for dinner, I think. So yeah. It was a long and demanding day today, hard work, but glad to be here safely. It's pretty cold. It's just going to be beautiful listening to the sound of the water all night long, so really looking forward to that. Good morning. Slept pretty well. Absolutely freezing this morning. Gonna pack up soon. Got about 4 kilometers to cover today as we head upstream. Looking forward to seeing all the cascades and possible waterfalls along the way. Should be a great day. This creek was absolute magic. It's got to be one of the best creeks in Lamington. So lush, green and majestic. That's absolutely gorgeous. It's got to be the nicest waterfall we've stumbled across so far. Just, yeah, really good. Whew. The biggest pool I've ever seen in any creek. If only it was summer and could swim because it's too bloody cold, but very close to camp now. Probably just push up another 100 meters or so, try and find a clearing, and yeah, set up camp there for the night. So yeah. Alright, so we made it to camp after a long 6 hours of rock hopping. Very tough and difficult, just technical and slippery rocks. It's a big mission, so glad to have made it to camp. Beautiful spot here in the rainforest. Just looking forward to getting some sleep because I'm buggered. Yeah, we're definitely not the first ones to explore here. There's a bit of rogue tape left over from previous groups. So. But I'll tell you what, the amount of people that have probably been here be less than a handful, I reckon. So. Morning. I probably won't do much filming on the way home, seeing it's all jungle, so we'll end it here, but hope you enjoyed this one. See yous.